In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on eBay. If you're looking to turn some unused items around your house into cash or even start a small business, eBay can be a fantastic platform to reach millions of potential buyers. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, you'll need to open the eBay website in your browser. That's simply ebay.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see a link that says Register. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process of creating your account. Now, it's important to consider which type of account is right for you. eBay gives you two options, personal and business. If you're just looking to sell on occasion or you're not operating a business, a personal account is likely the best fit. On the other hand, if you plan on selling regularly or if you're managing a larger scale operation, a business account might be more appropriate. Choose the type that aligns best with your selling goals. Once you've chosen your account type, the next step is filling out the registration form. This involves entering your personal details, such as your name, a valid email address, and setting up a secure password. This information will help eBay identify and protect your account, so make sure it's accurate and the password is strong enough to keep your information safe. With your account created, it's time to select a plan that suits your needs. eBay offers different selling plans based on how much and how often you plan to sell. Carefully assess what you anticipate in terms of sales volume and choose a plan that's both cost-effective and supportive of your selling ambitions. Now that your account setup is complete, it's all about customizing your store to attract buyers. This is a crucial step, as a well-presented store can make a significant difference in how buyers perceive your products. Begin by adding a unique logo that represents your brand or the types of items you intend to sell. Next, organize your items into clear and logical product categories. This small step can enhance the shopping experience for potential buyers and make it easier for them to find what they're looking for. As you start listing your items, consider adding high-quality photos and detailed descriptions to provide as much information as possible. This can help reduce buyer questions and increase the chances of making a sale. And there you have it. You're now fully equipped to start selling on eBay. Remember, the key to success is transparency and customer service, so engage with your buyers and handle any issues promptly. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.